Okay guys, being hasty here, trying to resume this turn. We're just in the middle of combat moves, and I'm pretty sure we just have the one combat move, and we'll have some non-coms, but the 5th Fleet is going to come down to P47, drop these 4 Marines off into the Gilbert Islands, and the fleets will engage in battle. So I guess I'm getting presumptuous here, but what was it, Fall Winter? It is Fall Winter, so it's only 2 rounds of combat, so just bring it down to the battle board. And I don't know what anything does. Okay, these guys are at a 10. Oops. Heavy cruisers are at 6. Light cruisers are at 5. Pretty sure. Yep. And then we've got 4 destroyers at 4. Fighter at 6. He's a fighter bomber. And then light carriers. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay, and you've got 4 TBDs at 2, and a dreadnought, which I think 7. Okay. Just bring it over here. That's the purple is the heavy, so I'm going to, the orange will be the fighter, and the red will be the heavy cruisers. So let's do that. Holy destroyers doing some heavy lifting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hits, that is just enough. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't know what the heck I just did there. And the orange is at 7. So blue at 2, orange at 7. 1 hit back. Oh, no, he's just damaged. And 1 hit back. I'll take a hit to my big old battleship. They can take 3. And I'm not sure what happens to their combat abilities as they're damaged. I don't know. Anyway, well, we'll see if it matters. If it was a 10 and 1 damage, I'm sure that would still be a hit. But anyway, there's 3 hits there. And again, I don't know if it matters. We'll see. A 9 would be a miss no matter what. So, okay. messed up there. Oops. I should probably roll that guy. Because if he would have got a hit in the first round, then it didn't matter. Whatever, just roll for shits and giggles. Dumb. Oh well, my own fault. And then the other combat move I'm going to make is Actually, I don't think I'll do a combat move. He's just going to go 1, 2, and go into port here. I'm going to use a strategic naval move for this guy to transport in P25 to go 1, 2, 3. Pick up these two guys. And then come back to Hawaii. And these guys are just going to move out to Hawaii. And the jet and the tactical. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. Across the way here is 3, 4, 5. So they'll land there as well. He's going to fly. Oh, I should count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. They go pretty far. I'm going to drop him there. Okay. Two, 3, 4. Okay, I'm just going to move this cav here, move him back. 1, 2. And I'll just send him across the map. Okay, I guess that's it. Lend loose the militia to Primorsky Krai. Put that fighter in New York. The scopes are just too big. I hate that. Shit. I'm gonna build one of those there. And that's what I want to do. One of them there. Okay. I think that's it. Sorry about the wait for what really was not much of a turn, but that's just how she goes. Talk to you guys later.